got it.
So guys, we are back at it with the channel. I have a new install. It is EVS tuning mirrors. These are made for S2000s actually. If you notice, I have no side mirrors. Nothing. And a shout out to the homies Fong from Fong Build and Fabrication. Made me a nice little bracket. Looks like this. It's a custom fitting for the Civic, but it's a simple stainless steel plate with 3 bolts welded to it and powder coated. Fong did all that in one day. He's my go-to. He does everything for my car. He installed my exhaust, moved my exhaust, my headers, you name it, he does it all. Check him out, guys. Here is the panel. Oh, fuck, where's my shit? All right, so here's the plate. It should go right in here. Hypothetically, that's how we're doing it. So, one hole's already exposed. We're gonna drill this hole. Boom, mount the EVS mirrors to it, bolt up backside. Done. Simple, right? Here we go.
I'm gonna add that Hunchback of Notre Dame, whatever.
Plate in. Boom. Then we're gonna put these nuts in.
You think you're so funny. You're not funny.
Oh, can't see a damn thing. Can you adjust it for me?
What do you want me to do?
Just push it in all the way. Top. Higher.
Top?
Yeah, push it in. Okay, keep pushing.
Stop it. Get some help.
What happened to slowly, silly? All right, fam. We got it in. EVS on an 8th gen. Custom made. That shit looks sick. What's up, guys? So that is the end of the video. We installed the EVS mirrors. Yeah, I love them. They see so much better than the last one. Comment down below, see which one you like better. It's car show season. What show are you guys attending next? Because I would like to know, because I want to be there too. Deuce.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I can do tonight is cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret outside. Because I want you.
What's going on here?
Drop the fucking pole. Hey.